Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
In hemodialysis, we actually do hemodialysis in the chronic renal failure due to its problems, right? But still, the main issue here is even after doing hemodialysis, many manifestations of uremia which occur due to the chronic renal failure may persist even with chronic dialysis. With chronic dialysis, many manifestations of uremia will persist. So, what are they? So the manifestations which persist are first anemia. Number one, in anemia, in the hemodialysis, we remove the blood and then we re-infuse the patient with the same blood, but after removing the uh, metabolites and waste materials like urea and all of the electrolytes. So as a result, anemia may be aggravated in these patients. Anemia is mainly aggravated. Why? Because of by the blood loss it can be aggravated, and second, and folate deficiency in the patient can also result in aggravation or increased anemia after hemodialysis. After hemodialysis, accelerated atherosclerosis is common in the patient after doing hemodialysis. Diverticulosis may even progress. There can be renal osteodystrophy. Renal osteodystrophy is a feature of chronic renal failure, but this renal osteodystrophy may progress or appear also. Okay, even osteomalacia may also appear in these patients. And secondary hyperparathyroidism may also continue even after doing hemodialysis. After doing hemodialysis, reduced libido or stunted growth or pruritus which is present, this might also progress, or acquired renal cysts. So all of this required renal cysts and peripheral neuropathy. See, even after doing the chronic dialysis, these may even persist in these patients even after doing the hemodialysis. But all these manifestations, though they persist, they are less severe when compared to the one which they get due to chronic renal failure without hemodialysis. In chronic renal failure without hemodialysis, these manifestations are very severe. But in chronic renal failure with hemodialysis, these manifestations are still present, but they are not severe. So they include anemia, accelerated atherosclerosis, diverticulosis, renal osteodystrophy, osteomalacia, secondary hyperparathyroidism, reduced libido, stunted growth, pruritus, acquired renal cyst, and peripheral neuritis.
thank you and thank you for watching.